What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy Chef Velo back with another banging video today, you guys. How everybody doing out there on this cold ass Tuesday? Man, it's cold today, you guys. Thanks for tuning in with your boy Chef Velo. I am back with another banging video today, you guys. We got some barbecue lollipop drums going on. I said we got some barbecue lollipop drums going on here, you guys. Yes, we do, you guys. We're back in it, and it's a banging. Then on here, you guys, we got some Southern style spicy chicken skins, man. Oh man, ain't nothing like some good old fried chicken skin popping off right there. But we're gonna take the bowl over because, you guys, we got some barbecue lollipops going on, and it's banging. Thanks for tuning in with your boy Chef Velo. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel because I'm on every day like Donkey Kong, and it's banging. Welcome to the channel, everybody. So we're gonna start with putting our drums on here. Like this. Like that, you guys. Man, I'm telling you, it's another cold day here in Indianapolis. I hope everybody having a blessed one. Man, I appreciate you guys tuning in with Chef Velo. So we're gonna do some lollipop drums today, you guys, on the grill. I appreciate everybody tuning in. It's been a cold one, you guys. Very cold one my way. It's been so cold, and it put me out of work, but I'm still good. You know, that's how you supposed to save your money. You know what I mean? You guys, look at that. We got some lollipop drums going on. Barbecue lollipop drums, you guys. And it's banging. Look at that. Uh-oh, almost lost one. Good look at that. Well, let's get a look at that grill, you guys. Yes, we're gonna tune in today, y'all. The Chef Velo. We're gonna do a part 1 and a part 2 too, you guys. And it's banging. Wipe that off. Wash it off. Put it in the water right there. Look at that, y'all. Oh, wait. I got a banging one, y'all. Oh, yeah. Look at that, y'all. Look at that lollipop. It's banging. Going over there, y'all. Oh, yeah. Working like it. Oh, no. It ain't hot enough, y'all. It ain't dancing for me. See, when that grease get to dancing, that let me know it's hot. Yeah, we got our boys. We're going to keep it rolling. Guys, thanks for tuning in with your boy Chef Velo. I am back with another banging video today, you guys. We're doing barbecue lollipop drums tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed the video yesterday of the stuffed lobster with cream cheese and bell peppers. Also, you guys, I love how the shrimp turned out with the scallops and the sausages, the shish kebabs yesterday. So it was a good night, man. It was a very good night. So I got my throw this away. Man, it's freezing cold. Look at this. Freezing cold. Look at that. Freezing cold. I tried to put my tarp over it. I couldn't even make it up the ladder. It was so cold, you guys. Look at that. Yes, indeed. Oh, yeah. what I'm gonna do. Roll right on, you guys. We're gonna let that. Right back to it, you guys. Woo, that is fun. Right with you guys. Coming up. I had to do some magic, you guys. Be right with you guys. The kind that you can't do on the kind you can't do on the camera. Now I'm back. Back full effect. Oh my God. For some reason, I didn't like the way that grease smelled. But it was only like a day old. So my kids, you guys call themselves cooking all the time. So they did something to the grease. They're crazy. Can't be Chef Velo. There's only one. Chef Velo. Chef. So we got some more going right here. Got some more grease going. That gotta go in the dishwasher. Oh yeah. Ooh, yeah. Look at them drums. And it's bang! Well, that's heating up. I'm gonna go down here and get the meal. Man, it's been cold out here. For the last, I already bust my butt a couple times yesterday. Look at this. Back to it, y'all. Snow. And any. So if you anywhere where it's warm, stay there. Okay? Don't come here. Unless you just try to burn it up. Come on over here. You'll cool down real quick here. The later it get at night, the colder it get. Check the mailbox, y'all. Woo! Cold. I shovel the driveway. Now the rain freeze up. I gotta get my salt shaker out. Put my salt on. Put my salt on. Yes, indeed. Put my salt. Go to sleep, wake up, be like, what the hell? It's rainy, and you know it's gonna freeze because the temperature drops. So, man, my Mustang got stuck. Woo! That's what we looking like right there, guys. Hold on for a second. That's what we looking like right there. Guys, I'm back. I got my camera stand. Oh yeah. Already, y'all. Lean on that. Do what they do. But yeah, it's been cold. First the snow melt. Then it comes back. First the snow melt. Then it comes back. You know what I mean? It's like, damn. Then the rain comes. It's like, all right. That's it. Here we go, y'all. Like, okay, that's it. Smoking away. Pull it out the table. Yeah. So I put some. I'm like, so it looked clean to me. I said, that was chicken. It was chicken, right? He was like, I put some fries in it. My daughter, ha. She's crazy, man. Psycho. You ever got one of them psycho, you know, you got your kids, you know, every last one of them individually. But you got that one, you like, this one's crazy. That's how she said. She's like, She told me one day, you crazy, daddy. I said, okay, whatever. You know what I mean? I was like, whatever. Let's see if it's going to talk to me, huh? I'll dance. No, that ain't dancing for me. I got this skin. Hold on, y'all. Put something over here, so. See? See? I want to make sure. Some everything. What I used to do. I got in an old Kroger. That's what we want. First chicken skin. A chicken skin be floating around there, be good. I'm a country boy, man. Dang it! Hope you guys tuning in with Chef Bello. Really appreciate you guys. Spicy chicken skin. We're gonna let it do its thing, y'all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got part 2 coming up, y'all. And it's banging. We got it going, y'all. There we go. Pretty cold out here. Check on these Lollipop drums. My oil and grill my. Yeah. Let's let it smoke. It's a cold day, man. I hope everybody having a blessed day wherever you might be. Hope you guys are around positive people, not evil people. So, I appreciate you guys tuning in with me today. And the ones that should strive a couple days ago, I appreciate you guys for the support. Thanks for the chat. Yeah, we got these Lollipop drums about to go on, y'all. And it's blinging! Yes, indeed. We'll just let it cook. Let them smoke. And we got some fresh chicken skin. I got off of there. I don't waste nothing. Best thing about the chicken is the skin, man. Ain't good for you, but you know, every blue moon won't hurt. I'm gonna let that fry up, y'all. Set at 350. All right, we're gonna do a part 2. I'm gonna take a break. We'll be right back. Thanks for tuning in with Chef Bello, and it's banging. Thanks for tuning in. We got that chicken skin. Yes, indeed. We're at the Lollipop drums, y'all. Look at that.